Today, I'll show you how to add blocks to a product page on Squarespace. Whether you're setting up a new online store or enhancing an existing one, knowing how to customize your product pages can make a significant difference in how your products are presented to potential buyers. This quick tutorial will guide you step by step to ensure your product pages are both functional and visually appealing. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your shop page within Squarespace. This is the central hub where all your products are displayed, and from here you can start making changes to individual product pages. Once you've arrived at the shop page, look for the option to edit sections. It's often quite straightforward to spot, usually near the top or side of your page, depending on your template. Clicking on Edit section will open up the tools you need for customization. Now let's dive into adding various elements to your product page. One of the first elements you might consider adding is the category title. This helps organize your products and provides your visitors with a clear understanding of what they're viewing. It's particularly useful if your store offers a wide range of products or if you're running a special collection. Adding this element is as simple as selecting the category title from the list of available blocks and positioning it where it fits best on your page. Next, consider incorporating breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs are a navigational aid that shows visitors the path they've taken to reach a particular page. This can greatly enhance user experience by making it easy for visitors to backtrack if needed. To add breadcrumbs, simply select the corresponding option in the block menu and place it in a logical location on your page, usually near the top. Filters can also be a valuable addition to your product page. They allow customers to sort through products based on specific criteria such as price, size, or color. This feature is particularly beneficial for stores with extensive product lines as it streamlines the shopping experience. To add filters, choose the filter block and follow any additional prompts to set up the criteria relevant to your products. Of course, no product page is complete without the essential Add to Cart button. This button is a critical component as it enables customers to purchase directly from the page. Make sure it's prominently displayed and functioning correctly. You can add this by selecting the Add to Cart option and positioning it near the product description or price where it's easily accessible. Finally, don't forget to display the price of your product clearly. Alongside the Add to Cart button, the price is one of the most crucial pieces of information for customers. Make sure it's visible and easy to read. You can add this by selecting the price block and placing it in a spot that makes sense visually and contextually on your page. With these elements in place, your product page will be well equipped to attract and inform potential buyers. Remember to preview your changes and make any necessary adjustments to ensure everything looks and functions as intended. This simple guide will show you how to create a seamless shopping experience that can help boost your sales and enhance customer satisfaction. Thank you for watching and happy building on Squarespace.